was this kind of T, just like that.
So instead of a pop-up emitter, landscapers like to use a T and just put a grate on it. But here's the result. The grass grew through the grate down inside the T fitting. This is just ridiculous. That's all grass root. So every time it rained, this homeowner couldn't get the water off the roof of the house. It ends up bending the gutters when you can't empty the gutter trough. Contractors, I mean, how much money did you really save by not using a pop-up? You still had to buy a T, you still had to buy a grate. Just spend the extra, $5 or $6 on top of that to buy a pop-up emitter. I mean, this is just ridiculous. We see it all the time. It's the number one cause of drainage failure is when grass somehow grows over the discharge line. Well, set these homeowners up for success. There's no turf restrictor plate. There's a little 4-inch grate. The grass grew over it in 1 minute. Yeah, it's just going to add to your water problems. It's a shame. It's a crying shame that somebody took their money to run an underground, and this is what they did for them. 10 minutes later, it was no good. We see it all the time.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.